Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, breaking chart alerts. Just about a minute here before opening bell. First off, our first solar straddle, I'm going to be closing that out February 21st Expo. That's first things first. I'm going to get the option chain up for that. Should have a nice profit on that, which we do right now. Really nice profit on that. I'm going to lock that in. So I'm just going to do it like spread here, and we will sell to close, sell to close. How many contracts? We only got one contract for earnings here. So we'll do the call, the put, February 21st, and the 59 strike we got. Let me put that over so you guys can see what we're doing here. There we go. So we could get a net credit of about 610 right now. It's only going to be about, that's fine. It's only a couple $100 profit. All right, they just closed out. So we just closed that trade out. Only made $101 on that trade. That was an earnings trade we did on First Solar. We got the 59 strike put, 59 strike call, and that's a straddle, and that's a volatility move there. So that's gone. Now let's take a look. I want to take a look at Square today. I think Square is going to be a good mover. SPY puts are up 46% today. Let's see. Yeah, Square's on the climb there. There's a big climb on Square. I'm going to jump in this, guys. I'm probably going to get the March 20th Expo for Square. So first off, let me make this trade on Square. I'm going to go. She's taking off, guys, so I'm jumping in quick. I'll do the 87.50 strike at 470. 10 contracts are going to cost around, let's see, do I want to do that or the 85? I think I'll do the 85 at 575. 10 contracts. So this is going to be about a $5,700 trade. Going to jump in, make sure they're the calls. 85 strike March 20th. And place that order. And there we go, guys. We're just entering that order now. We just got filled at 570. It's a bid of 550, ask of 575. We are in that trade. That's going to be a swing trade. I'm going to be looking for $90 to $100 target on Square. Here is the trade we just made. Square, March 20th, 85 strike call, and we paid $5.70 a contract. We got 10 contracts, so it's a $5,700 trade. And we're already green on it now. There she goes, starting to climb. Already up 70 bucks on that trade. Alrighty. Hey, good morning, Ari. Good morning, Skyjack. Dan White. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I want to focus on some day trading today, so let's find some good setups and to make some money. Square's taking off here. Already up 120 bucks on the Square trade. There's Square. We're already up 2.1%. We have the Square March 20th 85 strike call. We paid 570. Last traded at 582. A bid of 575. Ask of 590. A delta of 0.551, which is nice. And there she goes, continuing to run. Now up 144. I'm going to put Visa on the other chart here. First Solar still heading lower, guys. Hey, Colin Nicholson, good morning. Guys, take a look at Square here. Already up a quick $220. Did you guys jump in Square? You jump in Square, Jay?
Yeah.
Nice job. So as you guys could see on that picture right there, up $220 on that trade we just made already. What is it? It's 9:34 a.m. I don't think we got that until like 9:32. So 2 minutes, 220 bucks. Are you guys in it? Look at Square here in the left. Taking off there off that 10. There she goes. She's running again. Now up 300. Moving back and forth here. Volatile stock. That's a 30-cent move there in a short, what, 10 seconds? Now she's retracing a little bit again. What's the market doing? Let's take a look at SPY. First Solar is still on the drop here. I'm thinking about getting into some puts on that for a day trade. I'm looking for a good day trade setup. Markets are really starting to head lower here again. I think I will pick up. It's 9:35 though. It's only 5 minutes in. Usually wait until about 9:45, but really looks like we want to start heading lower here. SPY, guys, take a look at SPY chart. I'm looking at the 3-month daily. It really looks like we're going to start retracing next week. So I might start closing out my calls right now and looking for some puts for next week. Look at that big red candle on Square. Microsoft option alert, May 15th, 190 call sweep coming in. Daniel, I picked up the Square March 20th 85 strike call at 570. Guys, could someone share the link to the video in the trade room, please?
BWMC, Transworld Entertainment, spiking to $6.42, halted on a circuit breaker. That's Tango Whiskey Michael Charlie, halted now on a circuit breaker.
Oh, great. Good morning, Paula. Give it a couple minutes here. SPY, Square. Looks like SPY wants to get up to this 10 and head lower here. That's what we're waiting for. Thanks, Bob. Appreciate it. Let's see. Let's see. Really looks like the market's going to pull back a little bit here. I'm going to start selling some of the things we have. Alright, I just closed out the Visa that I got for this week. Let's see, Facebook. Let me see the Facebook chart quick. Let's go over our trades here, guys. Alright, let's look at the 3-month daily here on Facebook. Facebook I'm going to hold off for. Then we have the Visa January 15, 2021 215 strike calls. I'm going to hold on to those. I'm going to be adding to those most likely. But right now, it looks like the market wants to head lower. So let's take a look and see when we could find an entry here for a nice day trade. Maybe we can make a quick 100, 200%er. First Solar is really on the drop here. Look at that tanking. If I held that straddle there, I would have made over 100% right now. Still locked in some profit on it, but only 9 minutes into the day. First Solar is still breaking down. If you guys wanted to get a day trade on that, I'd be looking at puts, maybe for the 50 strike put for next week's expo. I want to see what SPY does here once the 10 catches up. That's why we usually wait until 9:45, because if we see that we still stay within this consolidation box, you know, and we don't head below you know, 334.85. If we do, we're going to be heading lower here. But if we could hold within that by 9:45, then we could see if we could break that 10 and start to climb there, get some calls, or if we break below that consolidation box there, then we could start buying some puts here for today. So I'm already looking at SPY puts for today's expo. I'm going to pick up 20 contracts here. Looks like they want to head lower. So 20 contracts February. I'll do the February 24th. It's a little bit on the safer side. That's the one we were getting yesterday here. So alrighty, buy to open. Pretty volatile stock there. Volatile option. 171 by 172. Alrighty. Orders placed. It's live. Still hasn't executed yet. There we go. Just executed now, guys. So now we have 30 contracts of the SPY, February 24th, 335 puts. We're in at an average price of $1.76. And there she goes. She's tanking. We're now up $1,200 on those SPY puts. Let me share with you guys the SPY puts here. Here are the SPY puts. We have 30 contracts. SPY February 24th, 335 strike put. We're in at $1.76. We're up $1,219 for today, 144 realized. Or unrealized so far overall. She's dropping again. Dow is down. See, Dow's down 200. Nasdaq's down 96. SPY's down about 26. There she goes, dropping lower here.
Coming up, the manufacturing PMI for February 51.5, the services PMI for February 53. Expected that's coming up in just a couple of minutes.
Jorge, I sold it in the morning because it expires today, and I wanted to focus on finding some day trades with you guys here, so I didn't want to watch that and get lost there while I was trying to manage a trade and look for some day trades. That's why I sold that straddle, but it made some profits. The worst part is just the waiting part.
50.8 on the manufacturing PMI versus 51.5 expected.
Wow, market's taking a dip there. After that,
versus 53 expected. S&P futures accelerating its drop now.
Accelerating its drop now.
Gold's popping here again.
Gold's taking a pop.
Following the 9:45 data. Again, the services PMI coming in considerably lower than expected at 49.
Considerably lower than expected, guys.
Now hitting a new high, 16.48.
All right, I just placed an order to sell SPY at $2.10. It just got filled. It's at $2.15 now by $2.20, guys. Those SPY puts just made a huge profit. I'm going to be closing these other SPY puts here as well. We got a nice profit on those. Let's see here. SPY, February 24th. Let's see, so I'll close those as well.
Composite PMI below 50 for the first time since October 2013.
Okay, let's close out this last leg. 210, 207 by 210. Let's see, there we go. I don't know why that's not filling. Let's see, order status. There we go, it just filled there. That was perfect, guys. She's still dropping pretty big here. Did you get in that SPY put?
From yesterday.
From yesterday? And then also, did you add to it when we just did?
I didn't add to it,
No?
but I did take profits.
You took profits just now?
A little bit of
Nice.
I'm actually still holding.
Wow, she's still dropping.
TWMC.
I think I'm going to jump into more here. Dow's down 279.
$7.87.
I mean, we're definitely going to head lower here.
120% at the high for TWMC.
Let's see. Should exit out of that. I'm going to exit out of that Square trade, I think, and re-enter. Let me just look at Square quick. Market does not like that news. Already down $2. Let's look at the daily. She might come back down to about 82. Another $1.89. And I think I'm probably going to hold on to that one. And then that one I could just add to. Facebook. I want to see it hold that 50. If it doesn't hold that 50, I'll be out of that Facebook trade. SPY. I really want to add to some SPY puts here. Well, start a new position. We already closed those. Let me see what we did. I want to share with you guys. She's still dropping lower here. Here's what we closed so far, guys. This is for February 21st. We have so far a realized loss today of $360.63. It would have been much larger, though, if we didn't have those SPY puts. Here's the SPY put. SPY put. And as you can see here with the straddle FSLR, we had the 59 strike call, 59 strike put. The call lost $223 because the stock dropped, but the put made $324. So made $100 on that First Solar trade. We only got one contract because it was an earnings trade, high risk. There was no reason to put in more than, $600. And the SPY puts, we have 490, 390, and 190 profit. So let's see, 190 plus 390 plus 490. We made a quick $1,070 on the SPY puts, and the Visa trade I closed out for a $1,500 loss. So even after the losses, still not too bad, down 360 for the day. But let's make that up now and do some day trading. Part of me gets so sad when I talk about a loss, but do you think that's good when I show the loss too?
It's important.
Yeah, because I already know what some people are going to say. Oh, why didn't you have a winning day today? Well, first off, the day's not over, but secondly, I think that was a nice hedge with the SPY put, wasn't it?
Absolutely. It was necessary.
Yeah. Now look at First Solar here, and it was nice how we took in profits on SPY because now it's starting to climb here. There goes First Solar, 1020 cross is coming up. MACD's already crossed, so that might be a good day trade there, bouncing off the 50. Well, I mean 50 a share support. So, gonna look for the next day trade here, guys. It's early, and we're only 21 minutes into the day. So if you guys find anything you want to trade here, let's see. Update: RBC Capital maintains outperform on Domino's Pizza, raises price target to 400. Let me share with you guys my research this morning, and you guys could see upgrades, downgrades. First off, DPZ, Domino's Pizza, outperform rating. They raised the price target to $400 a share. Uber, overweight, target increased to 58 a share. EHTH raised to 185. They changed their price target. Home Depot, overweight. They raised the price target on Home Depot to 260. Said that demand was going to be higher for building and housing in Q2. SQ Square, buy rating, target raised to $99. And we're going to be trading Square quite a bit, I think, over the next month or two. I think we got a lot of room for some profits on Square. We've already made some great trades on Square that we've locked in gains on. Now take a look at SPY quick. SPY got up to that 10 on a today 1 minute chart, failing, heading lower, making new lows for the day here. So I might be jumping into some SPY puts here. Dow's already down about, let's see, 270, NASDAQ down 140, S&P's down 34. Let's see. Wow. Might get some diamond puts then. We'll see. DIA. These are the types of market conditions that you got to be careful in, because the market could turn against you quick. You saw how we had those nice protective puts that helped our account. But you got to be careful here because you could go long when you see a reversal starting and then the market could just tank again. The market didn't like those numbers that just came out. So let's take a look. Diamond 289. 289 for about 256 for the February Expo. That's not bad. So February 28th, 289 strike put. That's going for about 252. If I got 10 contracts, that's going to be about 2,500. I'll do 15 contracts. And we're going to wait for entry here. SPY's just crossing above the 10 for the first time. So we have this order ready, but we're not going to place it yet. Be patient, disciplined, watch that trade plan. Microsoft came right down to 179, right on the blue 20-day SMA on a daily chart. I know Jay likes Microsoft there. I think that's going to be a nice trade for the bounce off the SMAs here, whatever we see happen. There goes First Solar, 1020 cross. Next green candle on First Solar would be a confirmed entry for a day trade if you wanted to get some calls. I'm just holding off right now, watching the market. Guys, if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up there.
Coming up at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, existing home sales for January minus 1.8%, 5.43 million expected. PWMC, Tango Whiskey Michael Charlie, getting up to the high, $8.45. PWMC. Shares of gold-related issues continuing to spike here. KGC, Kinross Gold up about 5% at the high now.
Gold is still continuing to run there. I want to take a look at gold quick. We sold our gold a little early. We did so well on it though. Look at that gold chart there. Remember that? Anyone still in the gold trade, or did you guys exit? Microsoft here. Square is getting a pop again. Let's see. Guys, take a look at Square here. Today, 1 minute. Look at that chart on Square. Look at that. You're getting the MACD just crossed. 1020 crosses coming up. You might see Square get back up to 86. That would be the target. Now, if you're going to day trade that with options today, that's another $1.70 increase on Square for today. You know, so that would be a huge, huge profit if you were day trading that right now, which we could jump into a trade if we wanted to. The 84 strikes going for $1.08. Wow, there she goes. I should add to my Square trade right now, but I'm already in for almost 6,000. But I could do something for today's expo if I wanted to. I think it's still a little bit too early though. I mean, you could definitely get in though. She looks like she's gonna have a nice pop. Anyone gonna jump in Square for a day trade? There she goes. There she goes. New highs in this breakout there. Nice climb. Best thing about it, account's still near all-time highs. Only about $1,000 away from it. Those SPY puts were a great hedge. And Bev trade is now green. You still in that one or no? That one hasn't been doing too much. Look at Square still going. Should I get rid of that NBEV? I'm not that. Wow, look at that big pop there. Nice climb. There she goes again. Square is pulling back a little bit here. See if it bounces off this 10 and then climbs, or if it's gonna break down lower here. I'm watching the news feed at the bottom to see if we could get anything that we could get a nice day trade on. Deere's hitting new highs. They had earnings this morning, you said, right?
CL Colgate Palmolive says expect a modest negative impact to Q1 revenue and earnings from coronavirus. That's in the presentation. Restarting manufacturing supply chain following extended holiday season in China. That's Charlie Lima. Colgate Palmolive in a presentation now.
Jerry said she bought some Microsoft long calls.
Existing home sales, 5.46 million versus 5.43 million estimate, minus 1.3% versus minus 1.8% expected.
Looks like Square's popping off that 10 right there, guys. You see that? You know, it's just really patience today, you know? It's still early. Half hour into the day now. It's now 10 o'clock. U.S. existing home sales for January, 5.46 million versus 5.43 million estimate. What's your REITs there doing?
Give me a second, I'm looking at that.
There comes the 1020 cross on Square. Let's see if anything happens.
Yeah, my favorite one, oh, they were up pretty good yesterday. Today they were just up a little bit, like 20%.
Yeah. Facebook, they're picking up the 210 put sweeps for today's expo. Square's getting down to that 10. Let's see what happens there. Did that light just flicker, or was that me?
No, it's flickered.
Okay. Great. Breaking below the 1020 here. Looks like she's going to be heading lower. Back down to 83.50 possibly.
New York City Health Department tweeting again, saying still no confirmed cases in New York City.
New York Health Department just tweeted, said still no cases in New York City. I want to see some action here. I want to get into something. I'm eager to make a nice day trade for you guys. We already did one on SPY. That was a nice day trade. Made a couple bucks on that. But on to the next one. Maybe we could do a few today. ICPT, SVB, Leerink upgrades Intercept Pharmaceuticals to market perform. Let's see ICPT quick. Let me get on the YouTube chat here to see what you guys are saying. Oh, let's see. Did any of you guys in the YouTube chat, did any of you guys pick up those SPY puts that we locked in that nice profit on? Anyone get in that day trade this morning? Let's see. Ragu says, check out Jild. Let me see ICPT. Guys, there's 105 viewers here and only 40 likes. If you guys are enjoying this, please give this a thumbs up. And share it on social media. I would appreciate it.
HAS Hasbro says coronavirus could impact timing and level of shipments during 2020. That's from an investor event, HAS Hotel Alpha Sandy.
Guys, we got a great trade room here. If you guys aren't in it, get in it. Here it is right here. Come join us, guys. Go to Breaking Chart Alerts, live trade room. Got a couple of chats in here. Come join us. Join now. Use promo code LOYAL. ICPT. You guys see this consolidation box here. Here's a nice consolidation.
DE, Delta Echo Deering Company, executive says markets such as Brazil got off to a
Perfect consolidation box there. I don't like that
fundamentals of
outline.
production remains high. That on their conference call, that's DE Deering Company. Delta
There is consolidation here. So it would have to break below 90.65 or above, let's say 90.95 for me to enter into this trade. If it broke above 90.95, I'd be entering into some calls. I'd be looking at 120 as the target. Guys, put this on your watch list, ICPT. It just got raised to outperform. They raised the target on it. So put this on your thing here. All right, DPZ, we got to take a look at that one because everyone's upgrading Domino's Pizza today. So let's take a look. It's down 2.3% today, so that might be a nice entry here. Put DPZ on your watch list, and we're going to be watching that today as well. We might be able to do a day trade on that. I mean, she has some quick moves as well. Maybe I could look at DPZ for the March monthly expo.
small spike in volume hitting new highs, 825 up about 28% at the high now.
That's pretty expensive. So what we can do is do something like an in-the-money vertical call spread. We could even get one for today if we wanted to. What's the market doing? Dow's down about 260. Nasdaq's down 128. I don't think it's a good idea to go long here for today's expo, but if we wanted to, maybe for the March 20th, we could do the buy to open, sell to open, and we could look at the vertical bull call spread for March 20th expo, which is the monthly expo, and we could do something like an in-the-money spread, which if we did the 350, 360, it's only going to cost 660 to make 655 to be worth 10. So 10 divide that by 6.6, that's still a 52% gain, and the stock could even drop $4 and you'll still make that. So this is going to have max net gain above 360, and you'd have max loss if Domino's Pizza was below 350 on March 20th. So it could drop $4 here and you'd still make that 52% gain. Now we could do something like the, let's say 360, 370, and instead of making a 52% gain here, if it costs $4.90 to be worth 10 divide that by 4.9, you're making 104.08% return. So 104% return, and you only need the stock above 370, which is about $5 higher than where it's at right now. And there goes Domino's starting to climb right now. So I don't think that's a bad trade idea at all on Domino's. And do I want to do that though, or do I want to just get some regular calls here? What was that, 370 earlier? Let's see. Excuse me. 382. So if we pick up the 360, 370, I don't think that's a bad idea to pick up the 360 strike. So we could just pick, if you pick up one contract, it's going to cost about $1,400. Let's see here. 360 going for about 14.
Moving higher along with other gold stocks, gold up 28.60 now. DE Deere executive says U.S. farmer sentiment showed early signs of stabilization during the quarter as uncertainty on market access abated with passage of the USMCA signing of the Phase 1 China trade deal. That's DE Deere and Company.
That's Deere they're talking about there.
Says
Daniel White says, if you don't start liking this video, we're going to cut your thumbs off. That's funny. Guys, over 100 viewers here, 56 likes. Give this a thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. Cole Hughes said he made a quick $205 on her SPY puts. Great job. Daniel White said he made a quick $300 while he's driving down the road. Nice job. Nice, nice, nice. All right, I'm going to pick up 2 contracts, I think, here at Domino's. I really don't like where it's at right now, though, on the today 1 minute chart. I'd like to wait for it to get a little bit higher here. Let's see, 14 I have it in. Let's see, I'd like to see the candle break that 20 right here for me to enter. Because then if we get a quick run to 370, I'll have a quick profit on these calls. And if it's a $3,000 trade and I make a quick 20%, that's $600 there. Probably would take the profits and run. See, it's still dropping, so I'm hesitant to click that buy now button. Disney put sweeps coming in. Under Armour, new 52-week lows. Under Armour's at $14. Wow. All right, let's put in the order for Domino's, see if it gets filled. Yeah, it did. Alrighty, we're in at $14 a contract for the March 20th 360 strike calls on Domino's. You can see the last trade price 14. That was me. There she goes. Now, if she could break above 365.50, we're gonna see Domino's have a little run here, I think. So that's what we're gonna be watching for. But Domino's, that's going to be a swing trade there. So, yeah, we got the March 20th. So now let's still try to look for a nice day trade here, guys.
WHO's Tedros says significant decline in new COVID-19 cases in China, partly due to change in case definition.
I think the Chinese are hiding a lot of the confirmed cases too, you know. Because it's really hurting their economy big time now. Big time. I could have picked that up much cheaper. Daniel, I love Under Armour as well. Let's take a look. I wear a lot of Under Armour and Nike. That's going to be a hell of a hook pattern here. Here's the 1020 cross coming up on DPZ, Domino's Pizza. Let's see if she starts to climb here.
Relatively light volume. EGO, El Dorado Gold continued to spike here, 950.
El Dorado Gold continues to spike. Let's see gold.
5% now.
Paula says big volume in MIK. That was a big candle there. Stock up 12%. Huh. Paula, nice looking chart there. Pulling back though quite a bit from the highs today. Guys, what chat, those of you that are members, what chat do you like better? The top one or the bottom one in the trade room on the website? Dave Pays says yes, he got that trade that we made. He made a profit on the SPY puts. Jorge Nunez did, Kelly did, Chris did, Coles did, Daniel did. That's nice. So you guys locked in profits on the trade this morning? See Domino's heading lower here now a little bit. See if it holds support. 360, 350. Why don't you guys like the top one better?
Novio shares moving here at $3.81, ending in November Oscar. About 2.5% now. Fed Brainerd says she expects unconventional tools to be deployed more forcefully, readily in future downturns.
Square looks like it wants to start to climb. I'm watching Square on the chart above here. I might as well just put it here. Hey Jay, they're doing Intel put sweeps.
Says policy may need to stay accommodative for a long time to achieve 2% inflation following a period of undershooting.
Microsoft put sweeps coming in. What was I just putting in here before I started talking?
Square trade.
Square, yeah. See, it looks like it's in consolidation and wants to do something here, but just gotta wait. Let's see, TSR shares halted on circuit breaker, up 40%. Jerry Stafford said she locked in SPY profit of $839 with us this morning. That's such a nice paycheck there. Like, you know, people got to understand you could make money trading. You know, like, you don't have to go doing something you hate doing in order to chase that paycheck. You could sit there, relax like you and I do in this office each day. You know, we could relax, look at the charts here. That's why I got so many screens pulled up. Wait for those setups. The days they're not there, you hold back, you wait. When you do see them, you jump on them.
Not every moment's relaxed.
Yeah, there's a lot of, like today. You know, today seems like a little bit more tense for me because I'm debating here, like, okay, is the market going to start shifting here? We're going to start BDM, break down momentum now? Do I have to start looking and seeing about entering into some puts? You know, there's so much going on. And, you know, you just got to be prepared mentally for it. You know. DBX is up 20%, $3.75. DPZ, there goes DPZ. I just want to see it break that resistance here of that consolidation box. Love to see it break that 365.70-ish. Michael Koken says, Dave, what are you trading on? I'm using eTrade Pro. There goes Domino's Pizza breaking the 50 SMA. There she goes. Bid of 13, ask a 1470. Let's see if she could have another green candle here and start that run.
SHOP, Shopify joins Libra Association, SHOP.
Amazon option alert. 2120 put sweeps coming in.
DE, Dear Executive says monitoring coronavirus situation and working closely with Chinese authorities focused on well-being of employees and safe return to production. That's DE Dear. Shares of Inovio continuing to spike here, 387.
Square really wants to break out here. I like how consolidated. Guys, see right here how it was in BDM right here. Let's do this so you guys can see what we're waiting for. Because a lot of you guys are new traders with us, and I want you guys to totally understand how our process works here. So this is basically what we're waiting for with Square. It was in BDM here. This is where you're buying puts, you're shorting it, and then that first candle above, there's the MACD cross, you're exiting. So here's where you want to take advantage of the MACD, and then in the chart right here. And it's so nice when you could jump into those puts and then have your set target where you're going to exit. BDM, and right now if it breaks above 84.30, I'm going to be adding to the Square trade that we have. So that's what I'm waiting for, looking for with Square. Want to see how the markets are performing. Also here, DPZ, same thing. Here's consolidation. You know, we're almost out of consolidation now. We just have to break that, let's say 365.70-ish, and then we should see DPZ start to climb there. So it's just patience and discipline, guys, you know. Every trading day is not the same, and you just got to be prepared for that. NVIDIA call sweeps coming in. Let's take a look at that quick. That's a usually good mover. Guys, there you go. There's the 1020 cross in NVIDIA. So you see why the call sweeps are coming in now. You see that 1020 cross? It's breaking higher. We could easily see 304 on NVIDIA. Let's see what the option chain looks like. If it could hold there, that'd be a nice entry. I might be entering into this. Just there she goes.
WFC, Wells Fargo. Near settlement with DOJ and the SEC over fake account scandal, according to sources.
Alrighty, guys, I just entered it. Oh, our Domino's Pizza trade's already up $200. Here's the 2 day trades I'm in right now, guys. Well, one of them's not a day trade, Domino's Pizza, but here are the 2 trades that we just entered. NVIDIA February 28th 300 strike call at 765, and then Domino's Pizza March 20th 360 call at $14. And we're going to watch NVIDIA over here to the right. And then Domino's Pizza, let's put that on the other chart here.
Trump tweeting now, if formerly targeted farmers need additional aid until such time as the trade deals with China, Mexico, Canada, and others fully.
Trump is tweeting right now.
Will be provided by the federal government, paid for out of the massive tariff money coming into the USA. Tweet from Donald Trump.
He said he's going to help the farmers more if they need it, basically. You didn't believe that?
No, I just find it funny. A little ironic.
What's ironic is you're a Bernie supporter.
I support him supporting our Americans.
Alright, there goes NVIDIA again here. Let's see it start to break again. DPZ still on the run there, looking good.
CIXI getting some volume now. Google India X-ray.
I'm watching Diamond. Diamond, Dow just had the 1020 cross on the today 1 minute. I'm looking at that chart above. I'd love to see NVIDIA get back up to that like 315, 317 area. We have the 300 strike call for February 28th Expo at 765. That'd be a nice move there. Want to see it hold above that 20 there in the video. John Rogan said he just grabbed shop calls in and out 4.6, 5.6. They're saying look at Square run. Let's see Square. Wow, look at that run on Square. Broke that consolidation box, started to run. I expect NVIDIA is going to do the same thing here. That's why I'm holding NVIDIA. Nice, 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 guys. Great job. Wow, look at Square still going. Come on, NVIDIA. Time to bounce off that blue 20-day SMA here, start that climb. Let's see it. Square is still looking great, though. Want to do something to get the account to more new highs here. All I need is a little $2,000 trade for that. Just want to see something move. We're in consolidation now, not too much going on. Just starting to break out a little bit here, but it's just a slow move. Slow move. What's Microsoft doing here? Let me see.
LMPX.
Microsoft's getting a nice pop there. Remember that was at 179 before? We were talking about it coming back down to that 20. Now it's at 181.
Equity with a $25 price target. That's Nima Michael Papa.
There goes NVIDIA off that 20. Let's see it continue to climb there. Square's pulling back though. Not a good sign on that. Ragu says Costco's setting up for a run. Let's take a look at Costco. Am I saying that name right? Ragu? R-A-G-H-U. Come on, you know.
Can't say for sure.
Maria Riccardi says, hi, Dave. Hi, Maria.
I go with like Ragu.
What's that?
Ragu?
Ragu?
Yeah, maybe. Let's see what he says.
Yeah, let's see what he says. So, am I saying it right? Is it Ragu or Ragu? Look at Costco running there. That's a nice one there. Did you get in it? Maria says, can you speak louder? Unable to hear. I could speak louder, but you can also just turn up your microphone. I think I'm pretty loud usually, right? Do you guys have any problems with the volume or my voice? Come on, NVIDIA. Get that climb off that 50 there. Look at Costco go. Let's take a look at the daily. Wow. Look at Costco there. Let's see what Walmart's doing. He said it's not Ragu, it's Ragu. Ragu. I don't know. Dave Pace says, you're plenty loud. Great, thank you. Ragu? I think that's better, right? Your name is just Jay?
Just a template of the alphabet.
Yeah. That's your yeah. Let's see. He said, I entered Costco a week back, getting in for short term today if I can get my order filled. That looks like that's gonna have a nice run there. Maybe up to 330. Come on, NVIDIA. Yeah, sometimes I pull the chair away, Bob, a little bit. But you guys should still be able to hear me fine. I don't know if that just did anything. I put the volume higher. Thank you, Gabe. Appreciate it. Gabe from Fresh and Healthy Meals is on the YouTube chat there. He says, great job, Dave. You know what? We should get some of those meals again. I was thinking about that today. Gotta start eating healthier again. There goes NVIDIA dropping lower there. Domino's Pizza's climbing and NVIDIA's dropping. Not going to do anything with it yet. February 20th Expo down 13%, not much. 12%. Yeah, I'm watching NVIDIA right here. But NVIDIA is one of those ones that on a dip I'd like to personally add to it, you know? NVIDIA is a strong company, strong earnings, strong growth, good dividends. You know, it's just a good solid stock. Now, remember the consolidation on Domino's Pizza we were talking about? I don't know why it disappeared here, but here was the consolidation. It broke it. There's 1020 cross. SMA is clustered. Now you got the yellow, blue, red. That's breakout momentum. And you got a shallow run here. And if we want to draw this run, we can go to the channel and draw the shallow bomb phase here on the today 1 minute chart. Bomb phase, that's the breakout momentum acronym. Oh, that's a channel.
Dear executive says expects lighter top line profit margin in Q2 because of coronavirus outbreak.
Let's see. Ragu says my Costco filled February 28th vertical spread 325, 330. Call along with short February 21, 325, 320 put for a net of 124. I don't understand what your theory is behind going with the vertical spread, the 325, 330, and then doing the 325, 320 put for a net of 120. Why, why are you doing both? Why don't you just pick one and do one? Nice trade though. Looks good. At what point would you sell Nvidia if it keeps dropping? Nvidia for today, I'm looking at it at, we're right at the day's lows right now. I don't think I'll sell Nvidia though right now. Down 15% on it. Let me see what the Diamond ETF is doing. Diamond broke down a little bit there, nothing major. Let's see Qs. Qs are still heading lower a little bit here. Let's see, if Nvidia doesn't hold up, I'll probably sell it then and look to re-enter next week. But for right now, holding on to it. Domino's Pizza just keeps climbing there. Take a look. Up $300 on the Domino's trade already. Down $600 on the Nvidia. Let's see if Nvidia could get a little jump here. Wow, China just revised new cases of coronavirus from 349 to 775 today. Man, what the heck are they doing, it sounds like they're manipulating the numbers, quite a bit. When is Square earnings? There, now we're only down 10% on the Nvidia trade. That's not bad. Matthew Jones just said he got 2 Square March 20th, 85 strikes for 580. He said hopefully they have good earnings. Let me see when their earnings are. February 26th, okay. I think they're going to have fantastic earnings. So I got the Square March 20th, 85 strike for 570. Not bad there, Matt. Not bad. Alright, let's see Nvidia continue to climb there. Let's see it break that 10. Domino's coming down to the 10. Let's see it start to break. Even First Solar back up to 51.37. There goes Nvidia. Come on, break that 10. Continue that climb. NBEV is having a big breakout. Now up $150 on the NBEV trade. I think I'm going to get rid of that. It's just, how much cash is in that? 5,300. She's at the highest of the day. She's still climbing. NBEV up 3% today. Wow, big drop in NVIDIA right there.
Their executive says
I'm gonna get out of NVIDIA.
to impact sales of road construction equipment in China.
Let me see. She's climbing again here as I'm set the order. Let's see. See, 6 by 610. $590. Alrighty, guys, I just sold for $595.
NBOT, Microbot Medical shares popping to the high.
Took a little hit on that one, but I'd rather be out of that and then re-enter it next week. 700 loss, I think, on that one. I think I'm gonna sell that NBEV at 262. Alright, I sold NBEV, guys. Locked in. Small $100 profit on that one.
WHO's Tedros says we still believe that we
DPZ.
can control the virus, but we must prepare for any eventuality.
DPZ up 278.97, up about 10% on Domino's. Yeah, Tim even said China's definitely manipulating the numbers. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you what I sold. I'm going to put that in the trade room for you guys so you can see exactly what we did today. Here's what we did. Realized February 21st, we're down about $1,100 for today. $1154.45. Put that in the trade room.
GILD, Gilead, call activity March 70 call sweep now. Currently at 68.63, Dolphin giving a delta.
Oh, there goes NBEV again. Oh, look at NBEV. Wow, 265 now. Just climbed 5 cents in 2 minutes.
8.5% now.
Big
on
climb.
BOT.
Wow, look at NBev go now, 267. It's like they know exactly when you sell it, right?
New Age beverage at the high of the day.
There you go, New Age beverage at the high of the day. You guys heard it in the background, right? 268. 269, 270.
It's like living in the Truman Show.
I know, right? It really is. It's like they know exactly what you do. All right, Dave sold, so let's start buying. Qualcomm starting to climb here. I want to find a good day trade. Qualcomm could definitely have a nice move here. But nothing's really moving yet, you know, that's the problem. If we get a nice period like this, BDM or breakout momentum, we could definitely jump in. But as of right now, there's just nothing going on. Let's see, Microsoft on the other chart here, back down to 179. Bank of America option alert, September 18th, 32 strike put sweeps coming in. Deere Friday 175 put sweep. Coca-Cola Lululemon shares down. Coca-Cola investors stay positive after coronavirus updates. Microsoft July 17th 180 call sweeps coming in. Gilead March 20th 70 call sweeps. More calls in Gilead. Let's see Gilead. Looking nice today. That's definitely looks like it's going to have another big breakout there. I think I'm going to jump in with you guys on that one. The March 20th Expo looks great. 70 strike. Let's add the deltas onto here. See? Add the delta. Okay. Delta 0.43. 70 strike. 70. Alrighty, I'll pick up the 70 strike call. March 20th. 70 strike. 180. Let's try 188. We'll try to get in. I'll pick up 10 contracts. I'm in it, guys. We are in 10 contracts. Gilead, 70 strike call. Let me share with you the picture of the trade we're in. They're just talking about Gilead now, again. Seeing more call activity on Gilead. Maybe that's us live. There you go, guys. There's the Gilead trade. There's the Domino's trade from today. And we're looking okay. We are looking good. Ooh, Qualcomm, nice candle there. Let's see what Nvidia's doing. See that? There goes Nvidia on the climb again. Gilead's really taken off again as well. Just looking at that chart there, it looks like it's going to continue that climb today. Already up a quick 5% on it. Gilead, quick 8.21% gain, up $155 on Gilead, up $270 on Domino's Pizza. Nvidia's on the climb here too, guys. Take a look at Nvidia chart over to the right here. Should have held on to that trade like I wanted to, but you look in the trade room sometimes and you see the fear in some people, and then it wears off on you a little bit, you know? There goes Nvidia again. Hey JN, what's going on?
NBEV, New Age Beverages, hitting more new highs now on volume, $2.78 up.
$2.78 now in Bev. Thank you.
I wonder if there's any news on MBOT.
Space is at $34 today, $3.37 drop, down 9%. Not in any space trade, so that one's gonna be nice though to trade for earnings. I'm probably gonna pick something up on earnings for that. Facebook's still on the climb on the 1 minute. Nvidia's looking okay. Skyjack said he bought Nvidia when I got out. He's up. Nice job on that, Skyjack. They just said Nvidia 1020 cross. Yes, there's the 1020 cross. Here's the consolidation though, right here. So it needs to break 297.61. If it could do that, she's gonna have a nice little pop there. Our Gilead's still doing good. DPZ, Domino's Pizza, still looking great. There goes Gilead again for new highs. Man, I think I need another coffee. I feel like I'm getting tired.
Might help to stand up and jump around a little bit.
Stand up and jump around.
Yeah, some jumping jacks. Haven't moved in a while.
That's okay. You could go stand and jump around. I'll sit right here. There goes NVIDIA. Look at that big breakout now on NVIDIA. Oh, that's where we should be jumping in for a day trade. And be looking to trade it right back up to at least, 330 or 300. Nice climb there. There goes Gilead again as well. New highs. Yeah, the entire market today not doing too much. Maria, I paid for Gilead. I paid $1.88. Guys, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. We're only at 66 likes with 100 viewers. Give it a thumbs up, guys. There goes NVIDIA. What's that noise? You hear that noise?
Sounds like water.
That sounds like water?
Like pipes. Water running through pipes in the wall. But that's not.
It sounds like a vacuum.
Entry aluminum making order highs now of about 12%. Probably like a November X rate. Company reporting a smaller loss than expected.
There goes NVIDIA, still on the climb, looking to break that 50 SMA. That's cool. This guy, Gavin Case, just sent me this. What is it? Is it a video? Look at that. He's got TSC right there. They put it on their TV and they trade with us live every day. That's amazing, isn't it? They're roommates. I don't know if they're in college or what, but they make money trading with us on the side. That's awesome. Love that. Let's see, is there anything else with it? That's so cool. Great job, guys. That's Gavin. Great job. Thanks for the video, buddy. Oh, there goes Juliet again. Big breakout, 69. So it's saying there's a new thing. Bloomberg spending $221 million per month on social media of his own money. Could you imagine showing up? Yeah, I'd at least be advertising my business under those ads, you know? $220 million a month. Wow. Domino's Pizza's taking off again, guys. Let's take a look at DPZ. Wow, look at that breakout on Domino's Pizza there, and it follows our plan so well.
Oil highs now, $9.54 Echo Golf Oscar.
There goes Juliet breaking 69. Wow, we're doing very well on our trades right now, guys. Very well. Let's see here. How are you feeling today, Jay?
Alright, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How was that yogurt this morning?
So far, so good.
That's great. Okay, there we go, guys. 10% gain on Gilead and 11% gain on Domino's Pizza. But hold on, there's more. Gilead's really breaking out now. Now we're up 250 on Gilead and up 309 on Domino's Pizza. Gilead, 13% gain, up $245. Domino's Pizza, we're up $309 on that trade. There she goes. She's breaking out even higher. There goes Gilead. Wow, look at that breakout on Gilead. We're now up $310 on Gilead. Up 17%. There you go. There's the new update. We're up $310 on Gilead, up 16.44%. On Domino's Pizza, up 11%, up $309. And Facebook just starting to climb now. Facebook's breaking higher. There's a 1020 cross. There goes Facebook, guys. Take a look at Facebook. 211.16, 1020 cross. First candle above the 50 SMA. You have the rising MACD here, the MACD cross. Still continuing to run. Let's take a look at NVIDIA now. NVIDIA is having a nice climb there as well. Take a look. That's textbook right there. That's textbook. You wanted to get into a day trade. There you go. Facebook as well. Take a look at Facebook here. Tech is breaking higher here now. There's a today 1 minute. Take a look side by side here. NVIDIA and Facebook. You see that? There goes Facebook. Big climb. NVIDIA, big climb. Domino's Pizza is breaking higher too now. Now we're up $350 on Domino's. Yes, nice job here. NVIDIA still breaking higher. Let me put in Jill up here.
LL Lumber Liquidators moving here, $10.
LL Lumber Liquidators on the move.
Up 7% for LL.
Oh, there goes Gilead once again. 69.11, 69.12. Might see Gilead at $70 by the end of the day. Wow, there goes Gilead again. 69.30. What a big breakout. Domino's Pizza's on the run as well. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Man, I've been gaining so much weight the past month because all these gains, I'm like, yeah, screw it. I could have, you know, whatever I want. And that's what I do. I'm getting delivery nonstop. Now these clothes are getting tighter. Hate that feeling. I got to get back to CrossFit. JN, what's your name? Oh, that's Jorge Nunez.
Weekly $20 call activity, 1,100 contracts.
Nice.
Sandy.
Come on, Gilead, have that next move. I'm watching Gilead chart above. There we go. Keep that climb going. There goes NVIDIA climbing off the 10. Oh, there goes Gilead again. 69.20. Lumber Liquidators, not a fan of it. Up 7%. Look at the big run it had today. AbbVie, they're saying. Let's take a look at AbbVie again. Ooh, AbbVie's looking great. Oh, look at that chart on AbbVie. Come on. Do you see that? What's it doing? Bouncing off that 10. Oh, I gotta get into AbbVie. I'm already in Gilead though for $3,000. You know, do I want to add another $3,000 or something to AbbVie? You think? What would you do?
I mean, personally, I'm stretched, so.
You're stretched.
So I'm a no.
You're no go. AbbVie looks great, guys. I'd be adding here. I'll get into a small trade of AbbVie as well. First red candle below that would be my exit. Very simple. I want to do something for next week's expo. I think it could have a big move next week, don't you? Back up to 98, maybe. If it got up to 97, we'd have 100% return. That's definitely doable. How much is it though for an extra week? Let's see, 95, $1.16. 60 cents more. There goes Microsoft on the climb again. That's only going to be $1,100. Pick it up. All right, so I entered into the AbbVie February 28th 95 strike call at $1.10 a contract. Small trade, 10 contracts. It's $1,000 trade. Alrighty, guys, it's 11:15 now. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for my lunch break. I'm coming back, and then I'm going to be live on the website, www.breakingchartalerts.com, and I'm going to be live on there for members. We'll be doing a live screen sharing session on there and testing it out for the first time. So come with us there, and let's do that around, let's say like 2 o'clock, 2:30ish, somewhere around there. And we're going to be doing live day trading then for the rest of the day together. Alrighty, guys. See you there. Great day today. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't gone to our website yet, go to breakingchartalerts.com and sign up. Alrighty, guys. Take care. Once you sign up on the website, make sure you go and download our trading app. Go to your app store and search Breaking Chart Alerts and download that app. And like I said, first you have to sign up on the site, and then you can download that app for free. Alrighty, guys, take care. God bless. I'm going to see you guys in the trade room. And, guys, we're going to be doing a live screen sharing session on the website that's going to be for members only. So if you're not signed up yet, go sign up, www.breakingchartalerts.com. If you are a member, I'm going to be talking to you guys more in the trade room about it right now. Alrighty, take care, guys. God bless, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.